Okay, I have to reset this one again. We are working on the group it setting in the starters. So if we follow these directions over here on the left side, it shows us how to put shapes so that they become one object together. So it says select the box on the left, which I did. And then in order to get the cylinder selected, I'm going to hold down my shift key and click on it. So now if you see, they're both sort of highlighted in blue. And I knew that's what I was looking for because I clicked on show hint and it told me that shapes that have been selected will be blue. So it says with both shapes selected, click the group button in the toolbar. That is this one right here. That one says group. If you hover over them, they tell you what they are, ungroup. So I am going to group those together. Now they are one object. So if I move it around, it moves both of them together. If I resize it, it will resize both of them. Okay. Now let's go over to this set of objects over here. I can't remember if it tells me what to do. Select the box on the right. Hold the shift button. Let me zoom out here. Hold the shift button on my keyboard and select the other shape. And then same thing, I'm going to click group. And what you see now is actually a hole in this object because earlier that was identified as a hole rather than being a solid. And we'll learn how to do that at a later point in time. But anyway, that's why this one showed up as a hole. So now I am done.